Okay guys, we're going to be simplifying radicals, multiplying radicals, and dividing radicals. We're going to start with simplifying because that is the simplest. Okay, so let's take, for instance, if we had the square root of 150 a b to the third c squared. Now, this is a square root. There is no number here, but it's understood that it is a square root. We need to divide this up so that we have parts that we can take the square root of and parts that we can't. Square root just simply means that we're taking out groups of 2. So we're going to divide this up into 2 radicals. The radical we can take the square root of, so we know 25 is a square root, and 25 goes into 150 6 times. And then we look at a. We cannot take the square root of a because it's a to the first power. So a has to go over here. We have a b cubed. B cubed can be divided up into b squared because I know I can take the square root of b squared. And b to the first. 2 and 1 is the exponent of 3. Finally, I can use c squared, and I have no c's left to put over here. So this term is which we can take the square root of. The square root of 25 is 5. The square root of b squared is b. And the square root of c squared is c. And then we bring down what remains that we cannot take the square root of, 6ab. For the purposes of the video, we're going to assume that all the variables are positive exponents, and then we don't have to worry about putting in the absolute value symbols.